Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart and wait for the Lord. Psalm 27:14.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Waiting for God was written by Po Fong Chia and read by Tony Collier.
Psalm 27, verses 1 through 3 and 13 through 14. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked advance against me to devour me, it is my enemies and foes who will stumble and fall. Though an army besiege me, my heart will not fear. Though war break out against me, even then I will be confident. I remain confident of this: I will see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart, and wait for the Lord. Waiting for God, written by Po Fong Chia. Kazuto and his wife Migiwa waited with trepidation for the ultrasound exam results. Migiwa's liver had been failing for more than 9 months, and she urgently needed a liver transplant. Kazuto could donate a portion of his liver to his wife, but there was one condition. Migiwa's heart had to be strong. The last ultrasound had shown slight improvement to her heart. Would it show more this time? To their disappointment, the results were the worst yet. Kazuto shared, "After I comforted my crying wife, I also cried myself." But, as Henry Nouwen writes, waiting isn't a waste of time because God is nurturing something wonderful. While we wait, even though we can't see anything on the surface. Kazuto's confidence in God paralleled that of King David, who wrote, "Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart, and wait for the Lord." Because God is our light, salvation, and stronghold, we can trust Him to offer hope amid darkness, comfort us during our trials, and secure us safely in His dwelling. When God seems to delay in answering our prayers, we can still put our complete trust in His unchanging attributes. As we bring our heartaches to Him, let's also instruct our hearts. Be strong and take heart and wait for the Lord. He is with us and always working for our good. Let's pray. Lord, when answers are delayed and our hearts ache like those waiting for healing, give us the strength to believe You are working beneath the surface. Teach us to take heart and wait for You, confident in Your goodness in the land of the living. Thank You, Lord. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What are you waiting for from God? Which of His attributes can you cling to as you wait?
Aspoil kal omongang eng mula viakal mukar al se lekorkau. Akal di import en Elbelau au ula batok e viakal mukar se Elbelau elang. Poto karikik beklar e dongui wa veit el bal expire akal ngilumer rau eradom ar. Tamsulang.
Research shows that hackers may already be inside your network. Ransomware, email scams, service disruptions, cyber theft. Guardian Cyber helps organizations identify hidden threats, remove hackers from their systems, and strengthen their defenses before serious damage is done. We provide cybersecurity assessments, network cleanup, ransomware recovery, digital forensics, and expert guidance tailored for Palau and the Pacific. Guardian Cyber, Palau's cybersecurity experts, ready when you need us. For more information, email guardiancyber19@gmail.com or visit guardiancyber.online.
Behavioral Risk Factor Surveillance System Palau. Radio Public Service Announcement. Masulang, the Ministry of Health and Human Services is launching BRFSS Palau, a health survey for adults 18 years and older. If your household is selected, a trained interviewer may call and invite an adult to participate. Your answers are confidential and help Palau understand health needs, improve services, and plan for a healthier future. BRFSS Palau. Our health, our data, our future. Take the call. Your voice matters. Bureau of Human Resources. Public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources, BHR of the Government of Palau, will be soliciting and accepting sealed bids, proposals from qualified independent certified public accountant to conduct the single audit of the Republic of Palau for fiscal years 2025, 2026, and 2027. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by local government funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on August 17, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website at https://www.palaugov.pw/rfp-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of the specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-54. Public notice, July 30, 2026 to August 16, 2026. Bidding period, August 17, 2026 to August 31, 2026. Proposals opening, September 1st, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Malgayok. For more information regarding this notice, please contact the BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 1126 or emailing hr@palaugov.org. Public Service Announcement. Bureau of Public Health Services, Ministry of Health and Human Services. The Ministry of Health and Human Services, MHHS, as the Secretariat to the National Coordinating Mechanism for NCDs, NCM, is pleased to announce the opening of a special funding opportunity. Community-based organizations and government agencies are invited to prepare and submit proposals for projects focused specifically on tobacco, nicotine, and/or alcohol beverages prevention to the NCM for review, approval, and funding. Proposed projects must directly advance the 2025 to 2030 strategic plan for NCD prevention and control by implementing creative, targeted health communication or awareness campaigns that address the use of tobacco, nicotine, and/or alcoholic beverages. Applications must be submitted no later than August 19, 2026. Application forms and detailed information may be obtained from 2 public health offices. Prevention Unit located in the VIP building across from the fire station, or the NCD Unit located at Palau Community College, Kaskas Building. When picking up an application, interested applicants may also sign up for scheduled sessions to receive assistance with completing the application or to ask questions regarding the funding process. If you have any questions or need further information, please contact Adolm Igardeo at 775-1138 or Candice Cosiba at 775-8119. Subdal Murabuay, Obisra Public Health ra Ministry of Health and Human Services. A Ministry ra Health and Human Services, MHHS, El Nia Secretariat ra National Coordinating Mechanism for NCDs, NCM, am subdra buayel mo, ang idil eldabe rabelu, maobis ra kabalment, am lamos sub irlovars, aon teri raw do, velgire laurere laus paalle lavro, la nicotin, malubeng rom, el mora obis ra NCM, mang momatrit, emo umangaya kangay, eng motuab daw velgirel. Aongit talgirel tialurior, agirel loltirak laigel garbay, el mlamkatmok, ra 2025 to 2030 Strategic Plan for NCD Prevention and Control. Edirekal smig, au ngiluldas maosisaak la elmelut kalgide la terbengel makantil aus paalavro la nikotin malubeng rom. Ababiera ongit application agirel momrotmok la emotorgok radialbol meodra August 19, 2026. Aidal babier mamuilom sodel asab el mangaira obisra prevention unit el ngara VIP building erbitara blila bulis malubeng NCD unit el ngara Palau Community College kaskas building. Selbo mola igal babier eng sab emelu siang klem el gide lasil selgi bomol ngeseurgau el gut maklia babilngem emrtak lergau arogwil talang tengil tialurior. Al ngarinya karim masuamal momdengay emamrodong raadol migerdeu el 775-1138 malubeng tiandes kosiba el 775-8119. Tugubet sel subdratao rabelur orior. Arangaram gati marubul kaldeo rabla raklobak a oltob del sub del murabway rabelur orior elkmo. Multu rap kais amrung lel sa lang arba bekwol rubak. Niray Galaw Francisco Gibbons, yabalur orior amor eungelatao rel mo ootia amungul el morangal rubak matalungal garingi. Tialtara amura ko tulurior el July 27, 2026 el mo August 14, 2026. Malawaysay eng mamakul el daka arroz arabalu, madiakaw tutulel lombrail ray krela suel braklabasay el mo ayim el klora tutaw, 12 midnight to 5 a.m. Aad malubet taraad el diaklo tirakli tial ulataw amo obal sa tirak lasyugang. Arubul oriora ulngit raungil klay ngeseo rar adar roguy, mabodadage do otia omangul o malang mes kaltareng maungil kli ibela orgid, mabalwad lolmol malbudo esel baakla. Kompmal masulang yarubak kaldios lamakal tangat argid roguy, mabalur orior. Signed, Ibadul Alexander Marep. Subdra Godal, Bechekldil Akemi Thomas. Ta subdra Godal loltobdan nga Petrus Italmong, Timothy Albert, Giraabad Matthew Elbelau, Giraramoy Miss Saito, Baudistar Alul, Senator Cecilil Eldabel, Dirat Ngerur Coreti Wasisang, Madirariang Deborah Saito, El Masubdra Sarela Targid, Bechekldil Akemi Thomas, El Mlosme Ersera Edel Gabsingil Ongewi del Buil, July 3, 2026. Akamaldilel ngigal maas amlamot rongokol moringira sabadong saruday el August 8, 2026. Emotob dramor gra 7 a.m. El morang rubasang ramalgayog mga maldilel mo yitelasils mamadakra odosong raingas. Mamalgayog agim subdargaw oligong Polycarp Basilius, Malit Linda Tamol, mamagtakang masubdarangal gamar adad may madakay nga sew. Yang esar agim subdara Esengel Ignacio Anastasio, Madirabis Madre Kotaro, mamagtakang masubdara adad marangal may madakay nga sew. O sisul subda morangal gelas kasuk, rangir oirem asam masang, maodalad Hiroko Hideo, mamagtakang masubdarangal may madakay nga sew. Ya orior agim subdara rangem maodalad LC Adolb, mamausubdara adad marangal may madaalim edakay nga sew tial albula. O sisulsu da mura masawo bedor, oligong Wilson Olblay, odray tosye keldermen, mainita et pisong, mamagtakang gaspasub de may madakay nga sew. Klamatela sub da uul, mar admamal mlodekal madungang klira tial sub da, magtakang may madaalim er tial albula. Kompmal masulang yarubak kaldios lamakal tangat tergid rokuy. Signed, Petrus Italmong. Subdra Godal, Bechekldil Akemi Thomas. Posisyul subdra Godal, loltobdringa Petrus Italmong, Timothy Albert, Giraabad Matthew Elbelau, Giraramoy Miss Saito, Baudistar Alul, Senator Cecilil Eldabel, Dirat Ngerur Coreti Wasisang, Madirariang Deborah Saito, El Masubdra Sarela Targidra Bechekldil Akemi Thomas, El Mlosme Ersera Edel Gabsingila Ongewi del Buil, July 3, 2026. Akamaldila langgal maas amlamotor ko kalmoringira sabadong, Saruday el August 8, 2026. Emotuab dramor gra 7 a.m. El morang rubasang ramalgayok mga maldil mo yatasils mamadakal odosong raingas. Mga olong ay kimsubdargal adalbayra olbed helasyo ngiraybakas mamutakan masubdar adad marangal may madaalim edakay nga sertial albula. O sisulsub da morar irey martelu Sofia Skilang mamutakan masubdar ngal may madaalim ertial albula. Yang rar da kimsubdargal Dwayne Totsi mamgas pasubdaload may madaalim ertial albula. Dira kalosisulsubda, amora bees Paulus o ngalibang, maebil ra otong nana o ngalibang, mamosubda atad marangal ke may madaalim edray nga sertial albula. Dira kalosisulsubda, amora Mary Muley Agwan, mamosubda ra ngaligela Hermina, may madaalim. Agi dira kalmasubda kawal Floriano Felix, may madray nga sew. O sisulsubda amora sabet takataro, mamosubda ra bepirakaw, may madaalim mertial albula. Agi dira kalmasubda kawal Pauline Talams, mamosubda ra bepirakaw, may madray nga sew. Mangiwal lagi masubda kawal ngira abi Elender ngira makati, madira abi mamautakang almasubda adada marangal, may madray nga sew. Agi dira kalmasubda kawal haruko ngira makati, mamosubda adada marangal, may madray nga sew. Dira kalmasubda kawal chair may ngais, manora oy will, mawaisang sokol, mamosubda rangaligela lins, may madray nga sew. Agi dira kalmasubda kawal Alfonsa Kadiasang, mamistiga olgaril, mamosubda rangaligela komusyor, may madaalim edray nga sew tial albul. Dira kalosisulsud, amora siksol Alfonso Lool, madira uspay Isabela ngirmang, mamautakang masubda bebira kamiw, may madray nga sew edaalim mertial albul. Yamal gayo kagim subda kawal ngiray nga sa Villani Thomas, Adalbay Along Thomas, Delegate Silverius Thomas, mapuy gayaad Jeff Thomas, mamgas pasubda may madray nga sew. O sisilsubda mura Ostens Okotol, Mastela Okotol Talay, mamgas pasubda load may madray nga sew. O sisilsubda mura Emma Tosi, Mabesi Tosi Malayrey, mamosubda bebira kamiw, may madray nga sew. Yang esa ragim subda kawal Baudistar Alul, Mahelmer Alul, mamosubda bebira kamiw, may madray nga sew tial albul. O sisilsubda mura nirarmoy Miss Saito, Deborah Isaac, Ing Lord Malaytaw, may sabong Saito, mamosubda rangal, may madray nga sew. Agidira kalmasubda rangal gela Hermans Francisco, Raverna, mga Sadil, mamosubda bebira kamiw, may madray nga sew. Egimoltur kawal Tulik Benjamin Emasyol, malamang algemra abulmaw, may sikl, malanga sukuma mertial albul. Agidira kalmasubda kawal dirat ngeruro koreti wasisang, mamspadatiriran nga ligela hitora, may madaalim, edray nga sertial albul. Egimoltur kawal madras kasuk, El Gabriel wasisang, malmeang algemra Pamela Macarlos wasisang, malanga sukuma mertial albul. O sisilsub na mura nga ligela ngirma sengla Ramelisa Mau Ralph Sudo, mosubdar bebira kamiw, may madray nga sew. Agidira kalmasubdra rangaligela Simane, Ra Esther, rangaligela Bears, rangaligela Maito, marangaligela Noah, mamgas pasubde may madakay nga sew. O sisilsubda mura rangaligela Erulay, Ra Petrusi Talmong, Senator Cecilil Aldabel, Krista Aldabel, Rabin Ngiralmut, Romana Ngiralmut, Makabang Basalay, mamosubdra rangalig may madakay nga sew. Agidira kalmasubdra yaadra bitaltao, al tsurumang ngirmang, mamosubdra marangal may madakay nga sew. Yayray agim subdragaul ungil Laura ngil ramang saw Dave or room mamosubdra bebira kamiw may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmasubdragaul Gloria Nakata, Benita Mibuk, marangalgem, mabrihida sidoy mamosubdra bebira kamiw may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmasubdragaul Gubari Libosang, may madakay nga sew tial albul. Yang artmaw agim subdragaul or room maywong makukong sakasiro mamkas pasubdaload may madaalim mertial albul. Mga ramlanguy agim subdragaul ngiradilub at Tamir Mang South Jr. u Elbelau Governor Ilolang R. Voigt, mau Ruta A. Faig Elbelau, mamautakang masubdrar adad may madaalim kay nga sewertial albul. Ya orior agim subdragaul ngiraaw Harry Fritz, Hayato Sabang, Malolita Gibbons, mosubdrar adad marangal may madakay nga sewertial albul. Sisulsub na mura ng algela Viro Raul, El Timothy Albert, Junior Albert, Macarla Paloy, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sew. Direkolo sisulsub na mura ng Riam Ringang, Magkikubrel, mamautangan masubdrar atad marangal may madakay nga sew. Direkal masubdrar ng algela Ngiraklang Badaong, Raidolo Raul Absalom Ngiraklang, Maanghenina Ngiraklang, mamosubdrar atad marangal may madakay nga sew tial albul. O sisulsub na kamaldile la Bechekldil Akemi Thomas, Amora Obakalol Patros Basilio, Oligong Wilson Olblay, Viltaap Kap Carmen Gib, Maribak Agnes Marungail, Mamautangal Masubra Adad Marangal, Emay Mam Ngasuma Mertial Albula. Clamatela Subda Ul, Mar Admamal Mladekal Madungang Clear Tial Subda, Mautangal May Madaalim, Ertial Albula, Yabolakal Sab Amiw, Edidagalat Karang Lungu, Akompal Masulang, Yarubakal Dios Lamakal Tangat Tergida Rokuy. Subdrak Maldil. Tia subdrak Maldil lol tobdringa ngiray nga sa Villani Thomas, Buikiat Jefferson Thomas, Colebas Aloysius Talay, Raul the Arnold Oilo, El Masubdra Roquil Adama, Melgil la Kamaldile la Targid, Rab Ekaldil Agemi Elbelau Thomas, El Ngalgelamle Ekaldil di Ramas Lamal, El Mlosmer Mabdenge lang Ramorgo. Mlamotorok la Kamaldil, El di Moringira Sabadong, El August 8, 2026, El di Moringira Bayrang Rubasang, El Ngaramal Gayok, El Moyatasil, sa Momadakar Odosong, El Raingas, Rang Rubasang. Malwaise, Arbek El Adma Makmal Spadal El Gidel Tial Gamaldile, Ngigal Targid. Ngiwala Gimsubdra Ngiraybay Gregorio the Arong, Mawad El Adraybay El Pora Mira, Koybad Helbert the Arong, May Sokli Augusto Rongula, Governor Francisco Malaytao, Diraybungal Ang Doris Math, Mamosubdra Rangal Garaybay, Emay Madray Ngasew. Rangal Gelamle Ngiraybay, Masaitsi at Titaringel, Rageturang Kreta at Titaringel, Marbebi Rakaw, May Madray Ngasew. Church Tulob, Mauriki Daniel, Marangal Geladasum, Ngirakasaw, Mamay Madray Ngasew. Amalgayo kagim Subdra Abbas Kyoko Sumang, Hosea Sumang, Delegate Silverius O. Talay, Stella Ocotol, Rur Elbelau Talay, Tina Ocotol, Ostenso Ocotol, Apollo Ocotol, Dallas Ocotol, Emma Cleofas, Ephraim Tosiwo, Bessie Elbelau Malayrey, Nearby Boysek Talay, Jeff Dewith, Trustee Boysek, Clifton Boysek, Antonio Frederick, Kerungil Talay Macreos, Aloysia Paloy, Artie Talay, Mamadrang Talay, Santini Bal Thomas, Mamay Madray Ngasew. Agidira Kalmasubdra, Ngiratakaw Viviano Math, Ima Ngirawlaw, Tami Ngirawlaw, Choice Talaw Ngiraitay, Mauang Mav, Marangalgela Motil Lieb, Radasul Francis Lieb, Mamgas Pasubadload, Emay Madray Ngasew, Ertel Kamaldile Lab Ekaldil Agemi Elbelau Thomas, El Ngalgela Diramas Alamal. Rangalgela Diramagar the May, Ramadra Sibakli Johnson Wall the May, Yorang the May, Diraibu the May, Maadolf the May. Direkal Tokubet El Sub, Damorat Areng, Rabalgul Alel, Helena Rabalgul, Jason Rabalgul, Madiakon, Christopher the Bangek. Tokubet sel spadela ngiray nga sa Villani Thomas, am subdaran ngalgelamle ngiray ngas, Eluel Macreos, Rawad al-Adra Cobo, Hilong Marcil, Deborah Sebalt, Dirabis Madre Gotaro, Chief Justice Oldiais Ngiray Galaw, Ngatibu Eluel Macreos, Mamosubdarabek al-Adha Marangalga, Emay Madray nga sewer tel maasang. Direkal tokubet sel spadela ngiray ngas, amorangirmang Moses Aludong, May Sabong, Murako Osyar, Mamay Madaali Mertial Maasang. Ang esa ragim subdra ngira arwang Bili Takamine, mamosubdra ngalgar arwang Emay Madray Ngasew. Agidira kan masubdra Lily Oilo, Madenis Oilo, Patrick Oilo, mamgaspasubdra Emay Madray Ngasew. Ngira abayad Matthew Elbelau, mamosubdra ngalgem Emay Madray Ngasew. Agidira kan masubdra Bili Naruwo, Umay Naruwo Rubas, Ertung Alisa Watanabe, Mamay Madray Ngasew, Ertial Gamaldil. Ang arwik Rablaira Omngil, agim subdra kawal dirariu akalista yamanguchi, mamosubdra ngalgem, marangalgira marangem, Emay Madray Ngasew, Ertial Gamaldil. Adira kaltokubet sub, damora kabrina idib, marangalgelamle, Ebil Rungil, Iduber dial, Radir Etet, Blandar dial, mamosubdra bekal ad marangalg, Emay Madray Ngasew, Ertial Gamaldil. Rangalgelar elbang uel, Mamay Madray Ngasew. Agidira kalmasubdra Joseph Tiob, Marbebi Rakaw, Marangalgiw, Emgaspasub, Emay Madray Ngasew. Agidira kalmasubdra rangalgira rangalgelamle, Kolepas Ngiraitpang, Ramarchi Baab, Mamarlon Baab, Mamgaspasub, Emay Madray Ngasew. Direkal tokubet sel spadela kolbas Aloysius Talay, Amorat Ngasi Krisong Saito, Marangalgem, Ravirariang Deborah Isak, Mamosub Darabekal Adadra Omngil, Emay Madray Ngasew, Ertial Maasang. Ayray agim subdra dirangas sets ko tuur mamo subdra rangal gra ngarangas may madakay nga sew. Rangal gelam lero ul del Raymond Rablu the Rabeti Rablu the Inasyo maetabay Rablu the marangal gelam le regril el tiak la boisek ra hermana tiak la watanabe mamo subdra bebi rakaw may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmasub dira ko sa kasi Alfonso Bintorio marangalgem may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmasub dira nangalge lato o ib may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmasub dira ringil masabab Marino Mary Liz Salomon sa ayang la samdiw reirey Joy Matthew Yob may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmasub dira nangalge lamle ulda ngirnga sa era blue radira nga rablunta Deborah nakata marbebi rakaw may madakay nga sew tel albula. Agidire kalmasub dara ngalgela namigo del mel, radel fita del mel, marbek al-ad, may madakay nga sewer tial kamaldile labe ekaldil, Akemi Elbelau Thomas. Aorior agim subdra ngalgelam le ngiray nga sa Elia Tulob, Ratchagi Elbelau, Shirley Tulob, Gerald Tulob, Jackie Elbelau, Lola Ngamay, sama Valerie William Mabel, Janice Termete, Judy Matthew, mamay madakay nga sew. Antonina Tuur Hideos, ma Project Ngiralmao, Marubi Berel, agidire kalmsubdra Rungulaw Aloysius Alons, ngirmang Richard Alons, mamosubdra Baby Ramiw, may madakay nga sew. Malahi Mistatkel, Dangalay Develbot, Lucy Tangalbad, Marbebi Ramiw, Mamgaspasub, may madakay nga sewer tel albula. Agidire kalmasubdra Veronica Antonio, Sheila Sakuma, Kayobel Sakuma, Kaylin Tiyaw Sakuma. Agidire kalmasubdra Rangalgela Tewid Boysek, Rasatrunino Tewid, Angeles Tewid Napoleon, Magila Tewid, Mosubdra Rangalg, may madakay nga sew. Dire kalspada la Mary Samdiw, Sadaria Sumang Alidadong, Maing Lord Sumang ngirungay, ngaspasub de may madakay nga sew. Undire kalspadalat kadasaw Morales Ramaruy, maebilt kadasaw Marian Ramaruy, Melanie Charles, may madakay nga sew tel albula. At tukubet sa spadek nga kalngiray nga sa Villani Thomas, am subdarkaw iadribul itesong Sumang, Bechekldil, Marine Etibek Sebastian, mamosubdarbek kalngalgra ngaribul may madakay nga sew tel ulbong sils Bechekldil Akemi Elbelau Thomas. Agidire kalmasubdra dira sa aduy Huyugo Hiroichi marangalagel. Agidire kalmasubdra ngirmangang da Hayes Malsol, madira ang Nancy Wong, mosubdra ngalgra ngarmangang da may madakay nga sewer tel albula. Ang ramlanguy ang spadala ngiraklang Chance Kabong, Harua Wilter, Governor Dr. Amais Roberts, Irung Skabong Igeda, Matulia France, mamosubdra adan marangal may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmasubdra itariro okotol Moded, Masimane Williams France, Ertel Albula, mamay madakay nga sew. Hindi ka omongol mga liyok, marangal grablaya di mokal girela omong gadal plalsa. Ang klamangate lasog daw ul, matigil at mamalmlo na kalobas ang clear, at yakabol makita rendir, may madakay nga sew, algut maklitial kamaldilel ngigal tarigid, Bechekldil Akemi Elbelau Thomas, Eldibuse radalongled. Ang kloatret ramamasang, mar at mamalmo na sa barirel may, akmal diwngil basul, makadadigalat karang lungu. Adios bolo sa baak, lelo maknaltangat tarigidroguy, lobabud, mabaltigar ring. Signed ngiray nga sa Villani Thomas, Buikiyaad Jefferson Thomas, Colebas Aloysius Talay, Raul de Arnold Oilo.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, at yakal spedel, mat yakal tigingel, malup engul de swell at Yes Broadcasting Company, tiang aspedirar at lulul top derngi e haraorngi, koh mal mesulang.
Subdrak maldile lang ngiray galaw Francisco Gibbons. Tia subdrak maldil lotob dringa ngirol ngabang Gregorio ngirmang, miray Yurigo F. Materne, adalbayra tang Alan Sid, marmerang Santi Asanuma, alkmo akamaldile lang ngiray galaw Francisco Gibbons, amor ngira elol malgabasingil o ngayal puy August 6, 2026, ya aldadu am lamot roko kolmor ngira September 4, 2026. A ekleel ngi garuba kangaramor el motuab dro nge walurior lelol malgabasingil el al o ngayal puy August 6, 2026, el morage dro gamay sel ngara makatiro orior, e mga maldil motoli al sils, e mo uro olguller ngar bodla. Magim subdar tirgal adama mal ngaray galbalu. Ngar along raplay rangar di mau, agim subdrar irer di mau, martulu ul Sofia artial albula. ngarar drablaira ngareramyo, agim subdra gararamyo Columbus sa kuma, mamo subdra adadar tial gamaldile lang Igalaw Francisco Gibbons. Ngartma rablay raged, agim subdra arbadul raged, rungul masahiro, tial kodale lang Igalaw Francisco Gibbons. Ngaramlunguy rablay rang arturong, agim subdra ngirturong Tian Sugiyama, tial albul. Iray rablay ra asel, agim subdra Spis Valentino ngirgiklang, mamo subdra adadra asel, tial gamaldile lang Igalaw Francisco Gibbons. Balilyo rablay rang asilyong, agim subdra ipik James ngidaadeng, maodal adro salin the meresabang tial albul. Orior agim subdra kaltngurat amdin, matngasik risong saito tial albul. Agim subdra iadri bukl, Bechekldil, mamo subdra adadra blay rang ribukl, rang arbeed tial albul. Agim subdra blay railo, rang arbeed, makaldingalius Eugene Uehara, madirturong Hiroko Sugiyama, mamo subdra bebi regid, rakamaldile lang Igalaw Francisco Gibbons. Agidirek kalmsubdra dil si irung lakobong, mamay madaalim tial albul. Agidirek kalmsubdra ngalgelam lembiray rakabrila ngirmang, radira pra elisita ngirmang morey, dirangar mga aida ngirmang malsol, manangalgelam lembiray Antonia Lomisang Orum, manangalgela Felicia Igasil, manangalgela Florencia Elbelau, manangalgela Eileen ngirmang, emeroguy madakay nga sewer tial momungulbong al-sungulang Igalaw Francisco Gibbons. Agidirek kalmsubdrar titulamle Igalaw Ruete, magimsubdrar ngalgela diramong ngirgalaw, brotigil Hermanakyota, manangalgela Ipik Martin, Ramona Marbo, manangalgela Sarwang Oriakl, Rarimu Dominigang Oriakl, Madira Cardeu Miriam Isaal, Ertial Albul. Agidirek kalmsubdra ngalgela wadal adi sabong, Rabona Isimang, manangalgela dib uwong, mamgas pasubdra tial albu, lemay madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmsubdra ngalgela Rudim, radira wudus tani ngirmang, Ubay Mateo Rudim, Mamiriam Rudim, manangalgela Erigo Singewo, manangalgela Juana Rudim, manangalgela Isidoro Rudim, mamosubdra baby ragmiw, emay madakay ngasew tial albul. Agidirek kalmsubdra ngalgela mlew, Elbil Raroy sa Maria Asanuma, magimsubdra diduoy gegi uduy, marmerang santi asanuma, mamosubdra adad marangal emay madaalim mertial albul. Agidirek kalmsubdra ngalgelam le miray talat ka Fritz, ramiray Yurigo Materne, adalbay rakaswal Harry Fritz, diradalgong waisang Fritz Mariur, malolita Gibbons, mamgas pasub de may madaalim mertial albul. Asisiul sub damuran ngalgelang ribong tewid, ra Leslie Tewid, ma Beverly Tewid, manangalgelang Maria Silmay, Rahayato, mamosubdra ngalga. Agidirek kalmsubdra ngalgela Antonia Wenti, magimsubdra Emery Wenti, madiraw Ray Mary Wenti Avelbay, mamosubdra bebi ragmiw emay madakay ngasewer tial albul. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgelam lesum may malay, radiro otong Siska Balailes, Bechekldil Eva Kyota, Johanna Moses, Evelyn Cosiba, Clotrao Scott Yano, Ngirdongol na Dr. Victor Yano, Rakodale lang Igalaw Francisco Gibbons. Agidirek kalkmal masubdra ngalgela Leon Shia Ngiratkakl, Raramang Saur Ngarmalong, Radave Orum, Marulib Mark Orum, Matewar Orum, emay madaalim edakay ngasewer tial gamaldil. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela uel, magiol ngitargawal Chanson Toribyong, Erbuong Raidung Yoel Toribyong, Madebora Toribyong, Ruu Ratagi Malwert Matul, Marmeriang Sibli, Mauelt Matul, Mamosubdra ngalgela Toribyong Matmatul, emay madakay ngasewer tial albul. Agidirek kalmasubdra kawal ngirasibong Lakyus Malsol, Mamayreng Malsol, Ertial Gamaldil. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela Raalul, Rabaudistar Alul, Maebil Rotong, Helmer Alul, Mamosubdra bebi ragmiw, emay madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela Ardialul, Raros o ngalibang Marbebi Rakaw, Marangalgela Torteruy Ra Iris Mariur, Mamosubdra bebi rakaw, emay madakay ngasew Ertial albul. Agidirek kalmasubdra Titulamle Miray Mary, magimsubdar adalbay rairik Glen Sith, deliget manggur lulg masayuri marumoto, emeroguy madakay ngasewer tial momulbong lal sungulang Igalaw Francisco Gibbons. Rangalgela Maria Opkal ngira alwolw, ra Elizabeth Tatingal, marangalgela Isaac ngira alwolw, rangira matugur Milan Isaac, mamasungil, maminister Gustav Aitaro, Mayor Bebi Ragmiw, mamay madakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgela Gabriel Kasoley, ra Marcela Imeteng, la Kambes Ongerung Kasoley, marangalgela Katarina Kasoley, ra Sigi Kasoley, rangalgela mle Dilililaw Siska Sakuma, ra Sharon Sakuma, maka Werner Sharp Sakuma, mamosub dar baby ramiw, may madakay nga sewer ali mertial momulbong lal alsungulang iray galaw, Francisco Gibbons. Agi dire kalmsub dar ngalgelam le iyong latalam sa rawodal ad Akemi Anderson, marangem Sebastian Andreas, ma Senator Salvador Talam sa mukamong tial may madakay nga sew. Agi dire kalmsub dar ngalgela Katarina Katosang, marangalgela Barbarang, ra Grace Yano, mangir ete Norbert Yano, mamay madaali mertial albul. Marangalgelam le adalbay ratang aldalutaw, rarange almakramyus, mamosub dar baby ramiw, mamay rokuy madaali mertial albul. Agi dire kalmsub dar ngalgelam le adalbay ratang ruuldak, ra adalain ruuldak, ma Beverly ruuldak. Agi dire kalmsub dar ngalgela targong Pedro, rangiratarang Pedro, madira ekalbay Linda Yob, mamosub dar baby ramiw, may madakay nga sewertial albul. Manangalgelam le adalbay ratang, Elmasang, rangirakalsong Sam Masang, marbebi rakaw. Agi dire kalmsub dar ngalgela ngiraibu asaridel, makawal Luis Kalu, masaysang Kalu, may madakay nga sew. Dire kaltoku betselsub dalal tob nga miray ra Yurigo Fritz Materne, el masub dar ngalgra Tamarigel, makawal ngiramuay Adelino Santos, ma Marcela Santos, mamosub dar adad marangal emotangal may madaalim, rakamaldi ra ngiray galaw Francisco Gibbons, el di morngi ra gedra kamais ra August 6 longe walurior. Signed miray ra Yurigo Fritz Materne. Dire kaltoku betselsub dalal tob nga Leslie Tewid, maolel ra Franco Gibbons, el masub dar ngalgela Maria Pedro, ra Lorenzo Pedro, maisikli giramur, mamosub dar adad marangalga, emautangal may madaalim rakamaldil, ramlamo dibusel targid rangiray galaw Francisco Gibbons. O sisiul tokubet sel subda, am subda ngalgela Florencio Gibbons, makawal Dana Gibbons, mukong tial el subda tilar bebi rakaw, may madaalim rakamaldil rangiray galaw Francisco Gibbons. Signed Leslie Tewid, Franco B. Gibbons. Ato betul sub dalotov nga miray ra Yurigo Fritz Materne, el masubdra el bilragum senna asuma, el kmomay madray nga se with ali mertial albul. Edira kalto betul spedela miray ra Yurigo Fritz Materne, amora ngalgela aspang la SBay, ra aspang la dabdebag SBay, maodal ra diramtawi el talat kamadrang ar, rangalgela oral uwong, rapilar, Ariel, masabangyol, mamay madray nga sew. Akmaldila lang iray galaw Francisco Gibbons, amlamot turko kulmoringi ra Thursday, August 6, 2026. Abadangel ngi garuba kamotuab dramor ra Thursday, longe walurior, elol malgabsingil el alonge el buil, August 6, 2026, ra el klomatedo ra tutaw, 8:30 a.m., el morage dragamais, el ngaramakati, mga maldil motalyal sils, mo umadak raklo lolkul, al ngarang arbodal. Hindi na kalkmal bato ka alsang maalbul, madibo mo denge dakalat karang lungu. Kompmal masulang, signed, ngirol nga bang Gregorio ngirmang, ramerang Santi Asanuma. Subdrak maldil. Sisil subdrak odal, lalotov nga rubas a Gabriel Adalbay, elkmo, ang iray galaw Francisco Gibbons, al ngalgelam ler kasiwangi Sims Gibbons, maualyay Torwal Gibbons, amlos me ersera July 22, 2026. Abad nga lang aramor, gemotor kaklang akamaldi, laldi moringi ragedar kamais, al ngaramakati Hamlet, rabalur orior. Motuab dabaldo ratutaw, el moragedar kamais, mga maldil motalyal sils, momadak raklololgul, al ngarang arbodal. Makmasubdra rokuil ngal garay ngayaw, may madal mga miray ra Yurigo Materne, marbebi ringi, ertial albul. Makmasubdra o Brahel beesarra kamarngalgel, Odal ad Agimay, marbebi ringi. Julian Adalbay, marbebi ringi. Rakasiwang Wayne Adalbay, marbebi ringi. Mapatrik Adalbay, marbebi ringi. Ramalik Fritz, Madarin Fritz, Ilong Fritz, Vivian Fritz ngiraklang, may madakay nga sew. Aktira kalmasubdra van Bukuro, mamaygal ngiruyos. Nga kalrubas, adira kalmasubdra kawal klolubak, Mark Rubas, may madakay nga sew ertial albul. Arubas, adira kalmasubdra igalgim gaw adal gablil. Maorior, yarangem Sebastian Andreas, maodal ad Akemi Anderson, mosubdrar adad. Mga ramalong, ak masubdra Oligor Casual Stevenson Cuarte, maawad al-adar malong fidela model, mausubdrar adade may madakay nga sew. Apolonia Siprit, masubdrar baby rakaw may madakay nga sew. Iray yak masubdray lapsis Ernest ngira sa aduy, maebil martay yaad, rablay ras mosong. Masubdrar adad may madakay nga sew. Ngartmawak masubdrar arangas Lucio ngiray wet, masubdrar adad may madakay nga sew. Ngaklawak masubdra Ruth Arar Raiholt ngirakyaw, masubdrar adad may madakay nga sew. Amalgayok ak masubdrar raklay bawaw ngirmang, masubdrar adad matirigel mo sa biir, may madakay nga sewer tial alabul. Ebegew tad ngiramang yor, mamalik Justinar Maruy, mamiray Mercy Maruy, rablay ray balurang esar, masubdrar adad may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albul. Arubas adirekal masubdray dasyar Lester ngiramaged, rakabli lara adarue rabalilyo walkmo, masubdrar adad matirigel mo sa biir, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albul. Arubas adirekal masubdra obakal ol Peter Napoleon, madilpak kay gobedor, masubdrar adad may madaalim mertial albul. Kompmal masulang. Signed Rubas Gabriel Adalbay. Subdra Godal Ngiraygalaw Francisco Gibbons. Tia subdra Godal loltobdringa Petrus Talmong, Timothy Albert, ngira Albaid Matthew Elbelau, ngira Armoy Miss Saito, Baudistar Alul, Senator Cecilil Aldabel, Tirat Ngarur Koreti Wasisang, Madirariang Deborah Saito Baudong, El Masubdra sa Arela Targid, Rangiray-Galaw Francisco Gibbons, El Nosme Ersera Luy Meerul Gapsingila Onge Widalbuil, July 22, 2026. Akamaldi lamlamot turgokol morngira Onge Walurior, Thursday, August 6, 2026, Emotuab Dramor Gra 8:30 AM, El Morage Dramay Sir Orior, mga maldil mo yatasils, Momdak Raklo Lolgul, Rangar Bodel. Mangar along agim subdragawl Adalbayr Olbed, Helasyo Ngiraybakas, Mamautakang masubdrar adad marangalig may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albul. O sisiulsub na murar irey, Martelu la Sofia Skilang, mamautakang masubdrar ngalig may madaalim mertial albul. Yang rar dagim subdragawl Dwayne Totsi, mamgas pasubadload may madaalim mertial albul. Tidekolo sisiulsub na murabe es Paulus o ngalibang, maebil raotong Nana o ngalibang, mamusubdrar adad marangalig may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albul. Tidekolo sisiulsub na mura Mary Muley Agwan, mamusubdrar ngaligela Hermana may madaalim. Agi direkal masubdar kawal Floriano Felix may madakay nga sew. O sisiulsub na mura Sabet Takataro, mamusubdar bebi rakaw may madaalim mertial albul. Agi direkal masubdar kawal Pauline Talams, mamusubdar bebi rakaw may madakay nga sew. Mangiwala agi masubdar kawal ngira abib elender ngira makati, madira abib mamautakang masubdar adad marangal may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masubdar kawal haruko ngira makati, mamusubdar adad marangal may madakay nga sew. Direkal masubdar kawal Chermay Ngais, Manora Oywil, maway isang sakol, mamusubdar ngalgelam alins may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masubdar kawal Alfonsa Kadyasang, mamistiga Olgaril, mamusubdar ngalgela Komusyor may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albul. Direkalo sisiulsub da mura sigasol Alfonso Lool, madiraw spy Isabela Ngirmang, mamautakang masubdar bebi rakamiw may madakay nga sewer da alim mertial albul. Yamalagayo kagi masubdar kawal ngiray nga sa Villani Tomas, Adalbay Along Tomas, Delegate Silverius Tomas, mabuygiyad Chef Tomas, mamgas pasubda may madakay nga sew. O sisiulsub na mura Ostens Okotol, Mastela Okotol Talay, mamgas pasubdaload may madakay nga sew. O sisiulsub na mura Emma Tosi, Mabesi Tosi Malayrey, mamusubdar bebi rakamiw may madakay nga sew. Yang esa ragim subdrakawal Paudistar Alul, Mahilmer Alul, mamusubdar bebi rakamiw may madakay nga sewer tial albul. O sisiulsub amorangirar mo Miss Saito, Deborah Isaac, Inglord Malaytaw, may sabong Saito, mamusubdar ngalig may madakay nga sew. Egi moltur kawal tulik Benjamin Emasyol, malamay ang ngaligem Abulmaw, may sikl, malangasukuma mertial albul. Agi direkal masubdar kawal dirat ngarur koreti wasisang, mamspadatri ng ngalgela hitora, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albul. Egi moltur kawal Madras Kasukol Gabriel Wasisang, malmay ang ngalgem Pamela Macarlos Wasisang, malangasukuma mertial albul. O sisiulsub da moran ngalgela ngirmaseng ramelisa mau Ralph Sudo mosub da bebi ramiu e may madakay ngasew. Agi direkal msub da ngalgela si Manera Esther, rangalgela Bears, rangalgela Maito, marangalgela Noah, mamgas pasub de may madakay ngasew. O sisiulsub da moran ngalgela Erulay, Rapetrus Italmong, Senator Cecilil Aldabel, Krista Aldabel, Rabin Ngiralmut, Romana Ngiralmut, Makabang Basalay, mamosub da rangal e may madakay ngasew. Agi direkal msub da iadra vital tao, el tsurumang ngirmang, mamosub da adada marangal e may madakay ngasew. Yairay agim subdra lungil, lorar ngil, ramang sao Dave or room, mamosub da bebi ramiu e may madakay ngasew. E direkal msubdra Gloriana Kata, Benita Mibu, marangalgem, mabrihida sidoy, mamosub da bebi ramiu e may madakay ngasew. Agi direkal msubdra Gubari Alibosang, may madakay ngasew ertial albul. Yang artmaw agim subdra or room, may wong, makukong sa kasiro, mamkas pasubdaload e may madaalim mertial albul. Mga ramlangoy agim subdrakawal ngira dilub at tamir mga South Junior, ULB lal Governor Lolang R. Voigt, mau elrut a fig Elbelau, mamutakan masubdrar adad e may madaalim e kay nga sewertial albul. Ya orior agim subdrakawal ngira au Harry Fritz, Hayato Sadang, Malolita Gibbons, mosubdrar adad marangal e may madakay nga sewertial albul. O sisiulsub da morangal gela dirurao lal Timothy Albert, Junior Albert, Makarla Paloy, mamgaspasub de may madakay nga sew. Direkolo sisiulsub da morangariam ringang, magikubrel, mamautakang almasub da adad marangal e may madakay nga sew. E direkal masub da rangal gela ngiraklang badaong, Raidolodal Absalom ngiriklang, maangenina ngiraklang, mamosubdar adad marangalga e may madakay nga sewertial albul. O sisilsubdar kamaldile lang ngiraygalaw Francisco Gibbons, Amora Obakalol Batros Basilio, Oligong Wilson Olblay, Dilta Aba Carmen Gib, Maribak Agnes Markungail, mamautakang almasubdar adad marangalga e may mga sukuma mertial albul. Klamatela subdaw ul mar adamamalmlodang almadungang clear tial subda, mautakang almay madaali mertial albul, yabolakal sa bamiw e didagalat karang lungo. Kompmal masulang yarubakal Diyos lamakal tangat targidarokoy. Signed Petrus Italmong. Subdra kodal, tia subdra kamaldil lontob din nga rab orkasadal Laurentino Loong, el masubdra sa arel makamaldilel ang iraygalaw Francisco Gibbons, el ngalgelam lergasiwang isims, maualyaw torwal, el nosme ersera July 23, 2026, e motor kaklangal di mga maldira gedra kamais, ra August 6, 2026. Makmasubdra gim gaw adal-ad, mamay matangaswira miray ra Yurigo Fritz Materne, ertial albul. Mangar along, yak masubdra Sebastian ngiratarang, ma former Governor Richard ngiratarang, mosubdra bebi ramiw e may madakay nga sew. Ngarar yak masubdra Basilia T. Erongos, Ferista Ulaong, Peter Ulaong, mosubdra bebi ramiw e may madakay nga sew. Agi direktal masubdra Florencia R. Ramaliga, Jacinta R. Stefanus, Vivian Damaso, mamosubdra bebi ramiw e may madakay nga sew ertial albul. Aktirekal masubdra Sabet S. Kiota, Jerome Senior, Malaylani Senior, mamgaspasub de may madakay nga sew. Aktirekal masubdra Hadlin Madalarak, Mahermine R. Balwong, ngigiw raseng mamalayong Anastasio, may madakay nga sewertial albul. Imlig yak masubdra Rokodol Senardo ngira alsaw, ngirngasis ngira alsaw, idub et pisong, ngiyus ngira alsaw, mawilest marur, mamosubdra bebi ramiw e may madakay nga sewertial albul. Ng esar yak masubdra ngira arwang Billy Takamine, diranglong Mary Basyo, Yorang E. Siksay, Moniga Abbas, Elia Abbas, mosubdra bebi ramiw e may madakay nga sewertial albul. Aktirekal masubdra Luisa Sumang, ma Sherlyn O. Arurang, may madakay nga sew. Orior yak masubdra Rubas Gabriel Adalbay, O. Rahel Beserak, Miray Yurigo Fritz Materne, mawaisang Fritz Mariur, may madakay nga sew. O sisiulsub da morarimu Dominigang Oriakl, Miriam ngoriakli saal, may madray nga sew. Aktira kalmasubdra Joy Uwegi, Valentin Tabangel, mamosubdra baby ramiu, may madray nga sew. Aktira kalmasubdra Valia M. Katosang, Frank Max, Maliona Max, mamgaspasubde may madray nga sew tial albul. Aktira kalmasubdra Velvita Velmel, Manaoto Tanaka, mamosubdra baby ramiu, may madray nga sew. Aktira kalmasubdra Presiding Judge Oldiais Ngiraygalaw, mamosubdra baby rakaw, may madray nga sew. Aktira kalmasubdra Obakar Mau Sydney Mobel, Doralin Mobel, Madora Eichi, may madray nga sew. Aktira kalmasubdra Sadako Wenti Smau, Diraray Mary Wenti Avelbay, Lawrence Katabangang, Emery Wenti, Diramkati Sianrang W. Savang, Madion W. Ngiraygalaw, mamgaspasubde may madray nga sewer tial albul. Tial kamaldi lavi moringi ragedra kamay sa Thursday, August 6, 2026. Kompmal masulang ay adios lolmol malumak ng tangat tarigidrokwi. Signed, Rob Orcasad, Laurentino Huloong.
Tial subdel muladreng stringi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malup engul desuel atias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adlul topdrengi haraorngi, kohmal mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello Palau, this is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours. Oi, Sine. What do you mean, oi, Sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
Negotiations over the strait are in the final stages. I'm Carmen Roberts, Fox News. But those talks are not between the U.S. and Iran. They are between Iran and Oman, the country that borders the other side of the Strait of Hormuz. Iran's foreign ministry says there's no way the strait will return to the way it was before the war. Overnight, President Trump paused new strikes on that country. Fox's Alex Hogan has more from Washington.
President Trump spoke to the Saudi Crown Prince, who had shared his concerns over his plans for new strikes against Iran. And the escalation also prompted the U.S. Embassy in Israel to warn Americans in the region to reconsider travel to the area or to consider traveling home. Republicans today argue that Iran does not have the military capacity it did back when the conflict started. Democrats today argue Americans are more focused on the economic burden that they're feeling here at home. We heard President Trump say that he was losing faith in negotiations, although he posted on Truth Social telling people to get to work and to get it done.
Wildfires explode in size across Washington state, with 3 burning out of control, consuming about 7,500 acres. Fox Weather's Adam Klotz has more on conditions.
Dry conditions across the Northwest. That's what we've been seeing. The most recent one there just to the west of Spokane, Washington, 3,500 acres burned here. Now, there are a lot more fires across the Pacific Northwest. Those winds driving them across the Intermountain West, stretching down into the Texas region. That's where you'll see the wildfire smoke. The bullseye today from Montana stretching back down into the mountains. Think Jackson, think Idaho. Those are some of the hot spots, and it's all being driven by some really warm temperatures. We've got all of these heat warnings across the region.
And this just in, police in Twin Falls, Idaho say the gunman in yesterday's shooting at a fast food restaurant shot and killed himself. The suspect, identified as 24-year-old Chad Williams. 2 other people died. 7 were injured. America's listening to Fox News. It's been 5 years since a 40-year-old woman and her dog were found dead in a park in Atlanta, and police say they are still investigating.
On July 28th, 2021, Katie Janess took Bowie out for a late-night walk, and they never returned. Janess's partner ended up tracking her iPhone, and that's when she found Janess and Bowie brutally stabbed to death. She had more than 50 stab wounds. But what's making this case so difficult is the lack of evidence. Cameras were not working at Piedmont Park at the time of the murders, a highly populated area. Year after year, people continue to honor Katie Janess with vigils at Piedmont Park. Her friends say she was such a sweet person. She always wanted to laugh. And they want answers. They want whoever killed her to be held accountable. And their frustration is not going to end until that happens.
Police say there is a $25,000 reward for any information that leads to a conviction. At least 3 people died after a bomb exploded at a restaurant in Moscow on Saturday. Fox's Stephanie Bennett has details.
Russia's National Anti-Terrorism Committee says a woman approached the upscale Italian restaurant, but a security guard refused to let her in as the place was closed for a private function. The bomb was then detonated, killing her, the security guard, and a customer, while injuring more than 20 others. No one has claimed responsibility, and the investigation is still ongoing. Well, earlier this year, Russia's Federal Security Service said authorities would tighten security around senior military and government officials after a series of assassination attempts, following, of course, the Kremlin's full-scale invasion of Ukraine. But so far, there's been no connections between Saturday's attack and the war.
And about 4,400 flight attendants at Canada's second largest airline went on strike today in a dispute over pay. That walkout at WestJet by the cabin crews forced the cancellation of more than 300 flights and is disrupting travel during Canada's 3-day holiday weekend. I'm Carmen Roberts, and this is Fox News.